Did you know there's one exercise that could completely change the way your body feels and functions every single day? Surprisingly, it's something most people don't do. This simple movement can relieve joint pain, improve flexibility, and even boost digestion. Benefits we could all use. Let's dive in and discover how resting squats could be a game changer for your body. First, let's talk about something that will improve the quality of your life right away. Becoming more mobile and flexible. The way your body moves and feels changes a lot after this workout. Holding the resting squat stance works and stretches a lot of muscles at the same time. Your hips, lower back, and knees are all part of this. In the long run, this helps loosen up tight muscles and make your range of motion bigger. It will be easy to work out after this. That's right, you heard that right. Sure, you didn't think the words workout and easy would be used together, but being able to move around more easily and freely is very important because it helps you go about your everyday life. You won't have to strain to tie your shoes or bend over strangely to pick something up off the ground. Instead, you'll be able to move more easily and feel more natural in your movements. You won't feel stiff or limited when playing sports, getting in and out of low-riding cars, or bending down to play with your kids. Everything will be easier and more comfortable. You can do this practice for more than just getting stronger. It can also make you much stronger, which is something I will talk about in more detail soon. People aren't meant to sit in chairs and couches for long amounts of time, but most of the day, we do it. It's true that most of us watch a lot of Netflix at once. This can make our joints stiff, sore, or less flexible, especially as we get older. The resting squat, on the other hand, will work your joints slowly, which will help them stay strong and flexible. This low-impact exercise naturally works out your hips, knees, and feet. It also keeps your joints pain-free by promoting natural lubrication and reducing friction. Like using healing tools for joint health, you'll notice that your knees will feel better and that sitting for too long won't hurt as much, making you feel more mobile. Soon, I will be showing the correct way to hold the sitting squat to get the most out of it, so you do not miss out on its full benefits. Now though, let's talk about another important benefit I mentioned earlier. The resting squat is a great way to strengthen your core and lower body at the same time. Your abs, obliques, and lower back are all worked out, which gives you a strong base for support and control. Your lower body, like your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, gets a great workout at the same time. This will help your strength and stamina when you work out, run, climb stairs, or even play sports if you do it regularly. Having a strong core helps you keep a good balance, and having well-developed lower body muscles helps you move quickly and easily. Not only does this all-around strengthening make you better at physical tasks, but it also helps you coordinate your movements better. You should look into how this exercise can help you fix your lower back pain if you have it sometimes. However, it is very important that we first talk about our bad posture and how simple it is to fix it. People often have slouched shoulders these days because they spend a lot of time at their desks or just looking down at their phones. The resting squat is a powerful exercise that can help with this current problem. Your back, core, and leg muscles work to keep your balance as it helps your body automatically align itself. By engaging these muscles over and over again, you automatically make them stronger, which is good for your posture. In addition to keeping your back and neck pain at bay, having a strong, balanced posture can also help your breathing and digestion. This slowly improves your posture over time, which makes you feel better about yourself and lessens the pain that comes from bad posture habits. Low back pain is often caused by bad posture, muscle weaknesses, and not moving around enough, which makes the muscles that support your spine weaker. This can put extra stress on your lower back, which can make you feel bad and cause long-term pain. These problems can be fixed with the sitting squat, which works your core muscles and helps you stay in the right position. This exercise, unlike static stretches, makes sure that your weight is evenly spread along your spine and lower limbs. Even better, your core muscles stay busy, which makes your back less stressed. This action helps fix imbalances in posture that cause pain. making the back stronger and more stable. If you're sitting on your couch right now with your back straight, your lower back will thank you for this practice. The resting squat is an important exercise for improving your health and ability to do physical activities. By connecting with your body's unique structure, this practice will help you find the best stance for your needs. As you go lower, feel your weight resting and your muscles contracting and relaxing naturally. Why is this significant? Prioritizing functional movement through the resting squat will help you build a healthier, more resilient body that can handle the difficulties of daily life with dignity and ease. Resting squats are great for people who have knee problems because they don't require a lot of weight or movement. And I know you're thinking, all right, this exercise looks simple and beneficial, but how exactly am I going to be able to get into this position and stay there? Do not worry, I will soon present you with some easy strategies and tips on how to achieve this. One of the best things about the resting squat is that it can help you avoid injuries. This is because it changes how your body holds itself while you move. A lot of injuries happen because weak or unbalanced muscles don't support the joints well and make it hard to move in the right way. If you work on building your lower body, on the other hand, your joints will get more support from this. This can help keep you from getting hurt from overuse or strain. One way to avoid common problems like lower back pain or knee injuries is to do sitting squats to strengthen your core and legs. These muscle groups are very important for keeping your balance and absorbing impact during physical exercises. You can avoid strains, sprains, and other injuries that can happen from sudden moves or heavy lifting by making these muscles stronger. You might be surprised by this next benefit, and you might not believe it either. The sitting squat can help digestion by keeping the intestines in a better position and encouraging bowel movements. For general health, having good digestion and circulation is very important. Issues like tiredness, swelling, and even more serious heart problems can be caused by poor circulation. On the other hand, stomach problems can lead to pain, bloating, and not getting enough nutrients. Doing resting squats can help your circulation by moving more blood through your core and lower body. Your muscles tighten and relax as you work out. This helps move blood back to your heart and improves the health of your arteries in general. Better circulation can lower the chance of getting conditions like varicose veins and help you recover from physical activities faster. Now, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the sitting squat correctly so that you can get all of these benefits and live a much better life. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. This is the relaxed squat. For balance, make sure your toes are facing a little outward. When you bend your knees and hips at the same time, you lower yourself. You won't move up and down though. You'll stay in this lowered position and hold it easily. During the whole move, keep your feet flat on the ground and don't lift your heels. To keep your spine from getting strained, keep your back as straight as you can. Instead of going in and out of the squat, your goal is to stay in it for as long as you can. Why is it called a resting squat? Because you're not bouncing up and down in this pose. Make sure your knees are straight and your toes are not too far apart or caved in. Balance is important in this squat, so make sure your weight is spread out properly on both feet. You might not be able to squat down all the way right away. In the beginning, you will have trouble with the squat, which is fine. Starting in a position that feels good will help you get better at moving around. As time goes on, work on lowering yourself deeper. The resting squat should feel like a normal way for your body to rest. Depending on how your body is built, your squat form may look different. When you squat, your back will probably stay more straight if your body is longer than your legs. When you stand, you might need to lean forward a bit if your legs are longer than your body. There will be some differences in how people sit, and that's okay too. It's important to do what feels good for your body and keep doing it. People over 50 who are just starting out and find it hard to stay in this position can use a door frame to help them keep their balance. To keep yourself balanced, you can also hold a heavy object in front of you, like a dumbbell. If you have trouble moving your ankles, try standing on a small base or a book to raise your heels. This can help you stay in a comfortable position while you work on getting more flexible. If you want to make the sitting squat harder, you can do it for longer. One way to do this is to hold the squat and raise your arms above your head. This makes it harder because it works your upper back and shoulders, making it even harder for your body to stay balanced.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for upcoming full-of-value videos like this. Let's grow Beast Squad together. Always stay healthy and strong.